Namaste everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel Ask Prep. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the science of cooking. Exploring the science of cooking unveils a fascinating realm where chemistry, physics, biology, and even psychology intersect to create the culinary delights we savor. From the transformative effects of heat on food to the precise chemical reactions that occur during cooking, understanding the science behind the culinary arts enriches our appreciation for the flavors, textures, and techniques that define cuisine around the world. In this comprehensive exploration, we will delve into the fundamental principles of the science of cooking, from the physics of heat transfer to the molecular transformations that occur in the kitchen. The physics of heat transfer. Cooking begins with the application of heat to food, a process that involves the transfer of thermal energy from a heat source to the ingredients being cooked. The physics of heat transfer governs how heat is distributed, absorbed, and transformed within the cooking environment. Conduction, convection, and radiation are the three primary mechanisms of heat transfer that influence the cooking process. 1. Conduction. Conduction occurs when heat is transferred through direct contact between two materials, such as a pot and a stove burner or a skillet and food. In cooking, conduction is responsible for heating the bottom of a pan, which then transfers heat to the ingredients through direct contact. 2. Convection. Convection involves the transfer of heat through the movement of fluid, either liquid or gas. In cooking, convection currents circulate hot air or liquid around the food, promoting even cooking and heat distribution. Methods such as baking, roasting, and frying rely on convection to transfer heat to the ingredients. 3. Radiation. Radiation occurs when heat is transferred through electromagnetic waves, such as infrared radiation emitted by a heating element or an open flame. In cooking, radiation is responsible for browning and caramelization, as well as the direct heat imparted to food by grilling, broiling, or using a blowtorch. Understanding the principles of heat transfer enables cooks to control cooking temperatures, achieve desired textures, and enhance flavors while minimizing the risk of overcooking or burning. Chemical reactions in cooking. Cooking involves a myriad of chemical reactions that transform raw ingredients into flavorful dishes. These reactions include 1. Maillard reaction. The Maillard reaction is a complex chemical reaction between amino acids and reducing sugars that occurs when food is exposed to heat. It is responsible for browning, caramelization, and the development of rich, savory flavors in cooked meat, bread, and roasted vegetables. 2. Caramelization. Caramelization is the process of heating sugars to high temperatures, causing them to break down and undergo a series of chemical transformations. This results in the formation of complex aromatic compounds and the characteristic sweet, nutty flavor and golden brown color associated with caramelized foods such as caramelized onions, roasted nuts, and caramel sauce. 3. Denaturation. Denaturation is the unfolding and rearrangement of protein molecules in response to heat, acids, or mechanical agitation. This process alters the structure of proteins, leading to changes in texture, flavor, and appearance. Denaturation is essential for cooking meat, eggs, and dairy products, where it promotes coagulation, gelation, and browning. Understanding the underlying chemistry of these reactions empowers cooks to manipulate ingredients, temperatures, and cooking techniques to achieve desired culinary outcomes and enhance the sensory appeal of their dishes. The role of biology in cooking. Biology also plays a significant role in cooking, particularly in the context of food safety, fermentation, and the transformation of raw ingredients into edible delicacies. Conclusion. The science of cooking encompasses a diverse array of disciplines, from physics and chemistry to biology and psychology, that converge to create culinary masterpieces. By understanding the underlying principles of heat transfer, chemical reactions, biological processes, and sensory perception, cooks can elevate their culinary skills, innovate new techniques, and delight diners with unforgettable dining experiences. As we explore the science of cooking, we gain a deeper appreciation for the artistry and craftsmanship that define gastronomy and the profound connections between food, culture, and society. Whether experimenting with molecular gastronomy, perfecting traditional recipes, or exploring global cuisines, the science of cooking invites us on a journey of discovery and creativity that celebrates the rich tapestry of flavors, textures, and aromas that define the culinary world. Thanks for joining us today. We'll continue making these knowledgeable videos for you in future. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and stay safe.